this is the future of how companies will set up their global teams. The most significant shift that we're seeing with AI is the move from a headcount-based model to an outcome-based model. AI is changing the way work gets done. And when the nature of work changes, everything follows. How enterprises think about the role that their GCC plays and how we think about setting up and running these centers, and fundamentally what the center is even for. The most significant shift that we're seeing with AI is the move from a headcount-based model to an outcome-based model. And we're doing a lot of work today designing the workforce of the future, which we believe will need to be AI native. Professionals will work in a hybrid model alongside agents, where the question isn't how many people are doing a work, but what outcome is being produced and how. And this fundamentally requires a rethink of what work means inside a GCC. The center becomes a place where humans and AI systems can operate in combination, and the design has to reflect that. The operating model has to reflect that. How you onboard and train people has to change. How you deliver services has to change. Even for us, how you hire and recruit changes, and we need to be a lot more efficient with AI doing a lot of the work. As an example, recruiters spend about 45 to 55% of the time doing resume screening, whereas today with AI systems, we're able to allow our recruiters to spend time on higher value work. The intelligence that comes out of this guides our customers through every stage of setup. We're not working off generic benchmarks, but actual intelligence that works. The data that goes into a GCC and the enabling ecosystem allows our customers to make decisions that are real-time and contextual to their situation and do the right things. In many ways, AI is changing the meaning of work and the orchestration of how work gets done. And as we see GCCs evolve, we believe that this is the future of how companies will set up their global teams. For ANSR, it was important that if we were going to help our customers build AI-native GCCs, we have to be one ourselves. And OneWork is our answer to that. OneWork is our AI-embedded global work platform covering everything from talent sourcing and screening to workforce management and service delivery. At ANSR, we've embedded AI into the workflows our own teams run every day, which means we're drawing from what we've actually built and measured, not from a framework. And the client impact shows up in two ways: speed and better outcome. The one that I find most meaningful is what it's done for our own people. It's allowed our teams to focus on work that truly matters. As an example, a recruiter in the past would spend anywhere between 45 to 65% of their time screening resumes and filtering candidates. Today, that same recruiter spends a majority of their time analyzing fit, pitching opportunities to high-value candidates, and genuinely guiding people through a career decision. Now, that's a completely different job and a much better one. The shift in how our teams work is exactly what we help clients replicate inside their own GCCs. And OneWork has been our approach to building an AI-native delivery platform that can allow us to use data and automation to fundamentally work better and allow our customers to get to outcomes faster. Think of OneWork as a suite of products and platforms that canvas the entire GCC lifecycle. Combining all of them is something called Agent One, which is our master orchestrator agent that very intelligently decides which task to delegate to which sub-agent. So we've got agents that do recruiting tasks, from screening to sourcing to coordination with candidates to actually running AI-based interviews. We've got agents that onboard employees. We've got agents that offboard employees. We've got agents that help our payroll teams with validating information before payroll. We've got agents that deploy policies and can do Q&A on simple employee questions. We've also got agents that support our delivery teams that help them do work better. What we've realized is, with the amount of intelligence that our workflows hold, building an agentic layer allows our team to work with better efficiency and more predictability. And at ANSR, we believe that as we scale, AI will become an extremely critical part of our success by allowing us to deliver better outcomes faster.